Easy Instant Pot chili, easy cleanup. Eat saute button on your Instant Pot. Round you up 1 to 2 pounds of ground beef. Using ground chuck will save you
Oh my
draining
God.
off the excess grease every time. Hit the cancel button, add a packet of your favorite chili seasonings and preference. Stir in with the ground beef. Allow that seasoning to be absorbed into the ground beef. With that heat off, you don't want to be burning it up. Add 1 can of chili ready. Tomatoes with green chilies. Add 1 can of diced tomatoes. Also puree, another can of diced. So add you 2 cans or 1 large of tomato sauce. Keep that heat off at this time. Stir all of that together. Heat that saute button while you're stirring. Let's give some little heat to this. Back off when you are done. Now let's add those beautiful chili beans. We're using mild this time. 2 cans of beautiful chili. Get out of the bucket. Get into my pot. Get into my pot. Stir all of that again together with the heat off. Now we are going to add a small can of tomato paste. Give it some extra taste. You're almost done. Now we're going to add the pepper and onion blend, frozen bag.
Oh my God.
Add the 1/2 of this bag, maybe less and maybe more. It's what you like to do. While you're doing that, I'm going to take a drink.
Yes.
Now let's get this together. Everything's going to be stirred all together, thickening it up. Voila. There we go. It's looking beautiful. Looking great. Looking great. Now let's put some cups of cold water in there. Let's make this more, not as thick. When you heat it up, it will become thicker. You need to make it ready for this. You can add cans of water. I like to put in some of my special favorites. Personally, I like to add a can of my favorite beer. Let's add some more of this chili powder. We don't want her down without adding back up the flavor. Some chili powder. Stir that chili powder in there. Stir all of those great smells all over the place. All into the pot. Add a little more water. I want to give it a little more for the soupiness. I get the soup and then it thickens up. Always better something there. You're ready for final cooking process. It is time to put the lid on this. Twist that lid, seal it up. Now, hit that button right there. Bean chili. So simple. 30 minutes. It's not under pressure. You open the lid, stir every 5 minutes. So enjoy. Leave comment.